Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm here sa Barangay Calawag Gym and we have 3 games tonight. And schedule is 5 p.m. Giatag sa amon, but unfortunate wala pa mga players. Siyempre tatlo ka game. So again, battle for first game is battle for second and third, and then exhibition game, second game, and third game amo ang championship game. So dito kami sa babaw, stage 0. Hindi lang ako magkuha sa actual game gid karon kay tawag sini haras ang situation sa stage guys. Taas kayo, so budayan ko kagi ko nakuha dati, pero budayan ko bundi namin ang coverage, although namin matani kontra sa babaw, pero doon na budayan lang ko. Budayan ko magi tawag sini kuha. So anyway, see you na lang later guys, right after sa first game. So ang pagkabalo ko sa first game, ang battle for third, second, third is Villa Silina against Bliss. Then sa exhibition game, AXS Matic versus Calawag 1 Selection. Exhibition na siya guys, ang second game. And then ang third game, Masagana against Nene Moises. So see you later guys. So yun guys, and finally the tournament or league 16th Foundation Anniversary Basketball League 2025 is over, and the champion is Nene Moises. And here are the result gali guys kay na sa first game. Sorry kung wala ko nakakuha sa video sa first game kay na right after sa first game. Okay, supposed to be dapat tatlo ni ka game. So ang isa ka game wala nagampang. I don't know what's the reason behind. So battle for second and third tan pero wala na yun. So nag-exhibition na lang. Then championship game. So first game na is exhibition game played between AXS Marketing against Uno Selections, scoring 72-68 daog ang AXS Marketing. So second game is championship game of the 68th Foundation Anniversary Basketball League 2025. So scoring 83 against 66. Nene Moises against Masagana, daog ang Nene Moises, and Nene Moises is the champion of this year's Basketball League Barangay Government of Calawag 1. Again, shout out again to the Barangay Government of Calawag 1 headed by the Honorable Brian E. Aiko, the Honorable Barangay Chairman, and the rest of the Barangay Council, also to the Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay Calawag 1 headed by SK Chairperson Maria Carmela Abing, and the rest of the Sangguniang Kabataan of Calawag 1. And also shout out to SBP Sulan headed by our municipal coordinator Mike Abing and the rest of the SBP Sulan. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. God bless everyone. See you tomorrow night, Barangay Calawag 2.